says A, it's an apple I see. B says B, bring a bumblebee. C says C, with a cat on board. D says D, with a dog that roared. E says E, elephants in sight. F says F, with a frog in flight. G says G, look, a clean guitar. H says H, hopping in a car. All aboard the alphabet train, riding the rails through sun and rain. Letters and sounds, come sing along. Chugga chugga chew with the ABC song. I says I, and igloo's near. J says Jet, jelly jumps with cheer. K says K, with a kite so high. L says L, a lion waves high. M says M, monkey eats a treat. N says noodles can't be beat. O says O, an octopus too. P says P, with a pink balloon. Rolling on the tracks, here we go. Letters and sounds in a steady flow. Q says Q, with the queen in gold. R says R, robot brave and bold. S says S, a snake that flies. T says T, a turtle rides. U says U, an umbrella pops. V says V, with violet tops. W, a whale goes whoosh. X marks the spot in a treasure bush. Y says Y, a yellow yak. C says C, with the zebra in the back. Now you know your ABC, riding the train from A to Z. Sing it loud and sing it proud. The alphabet train is fun and loud. The alphabet